You are watching little English stars. You are watching little English stars.
Hello children, today we are going to learn 50 simple past sentences. So, पहला है I ate an apple. I ate an apple. She drank milk. She drank milk. He play football. He play football. We watch TV. We watch TV. They visited the park. They visited the park. I read a book. I read a book. She washed her hands. She washed her hands. He brushed his teeth. He brushed his teeth. We sang a song. We sang a song. They dance happily. They dance happily. They dance happily. They dance happily. I cook rice. I cook rice. I cook rice. I cook rice. She cleaned the room. She cleaned the room. She cleaned the room. She cleaned the room. He jumped on the bed. He jumped on the bed. We clap our hands. They painted a picture. They painted a picture. I found my toy. I found my toy. She opened the door. She opened the door. He closed the window. He closed the window. We help our friend. We help our friend. They play with dolls. They play with dolls. I went to school. I went to school. She walked to the shop. She walked to the shop. He ran very fast. He ran very fast. We listen to music. We listen to music. They talk to the teacher. They talk to the teacher. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. She cook a cake. She bake a cake. He drew a picture. He drew a picture. We play in the garden. We play in the garden. They built a sand castle. They built a sand castle. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. She fed the dog. She fed the dog. He watered the plants. He watered the plants. We enjoy the picnic. We enjoy the picnic. They share chocolates. They share chocolates. I rode my bicycle. I rode my bicycle. She called her friend. She called her friend. He kicked the ball. He kicked the ball. We play hide and seek. We play hide and seek. Love loudly. They love loudly. I clean my shoes. I clean my shoes. She pick up flowers. She pick up flowers. He shouted in the park. He shouted in the park. We watch cartoons. We watch cartoons. They ate ice cream. They ate ice cream. They ate ice cream. They ate ice cream. I drew a star. I drew a star. I drew a star. I drew a star. She jumped in the pool. 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 He played the piano. He played the piano. He played the piano. He played the piano. We went shopping. We went shopping. We went shopping. We went shopping. They read stories. They read stories. They read stories. They read stories. Thank you for listening, kids.